Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef noodles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of beef, ideally shank or chuck, for that perfect tender texture. Grab 1 pound of your favorite noodles, whether fresh or dried. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and a 1-inch piece of sliced ginger. These foundational elements are key to our flavorful dish. Now let's prepare our beef for maximum flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Sear your beef pieces until they are beautifully browned on all sides, locking in those juices. Next, pour in 4 cups of rich beef broth, along with your minced garlic, sliced ginger, and both soy sauces. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook slowly for 2 to 3 hours, until the beef is incredibly tender and easily pulls apart with a fork. With the beef perfectly tender, it's time to refine our broth and prepare the noodles. Carefully remove the cooked beef from the pot and shred or slice it into convenient, bite-sized pieces. Now, strain the rich broth through a fine mesh sieve to achieve a beautifully clear and flavorful liquid. While the broth is simmering gently, cook your 1 pound of noodles according to the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente. Finally, taste the broth and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt and pepper to your liking. The final step is to assemble your magnificent beef noodles. Divide the perfectly cooked noodles evenly into 4 individual serving bowls. Next, artfully arrange the tender, shredded beef over the noodles in each bowl. Now, generously ladle the hot, aromatic broth over the beef and noodles, ensuring everything is well covered. For a final touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped green onions and, if you like a little kick, a drizzle of chili oil. Serve immediately and savor this comforting, homemade dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.